Join me as I dive into the challenge of discovering what really helps boost immunity after breast cancer. Building a strong immune system is crucial, especially after going through the ordeal of breast cancer. A robust immune system not only helps prevent the recurrence of cancer but also protects against various other illnesses and infections. Recovering from breast cancer treatment can be a tough journey. Many survivors find themselves struggling with a weakened immune system. Chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery can take a toll on the body's defenses, leaving patients more susceptible to infections and illnesses. The stress of dealing with a life-threatening illness also impacts immune function. It's common for survivors to experience chronic fatigue, inflammation, and a general feeling of being unwell even after treatment has ended. Maintaining a strong immune system post-treatment requires a multifaceted approach. Focusing on nutrition is key. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins provides the body with the necessary building blocks to repair and strengthen its defenses. Exercise also plays a critical role. Regular physical activity can enhance immune function by improving circulation and reducing stress. Stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises can further support immune health by reducing the body's stress response. Incorporating immunity-boosting foods into your diet can make a significant difference. Foods high in antioxidants like berries, leafy greens, and nuts help combat free radicals that can damage cells. Omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon and flax seeds support the production of anti-inflammatory responses. Probiotics in foods like yogurt and kefir promote a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for a strong immune system. Healing and recovery stories are a powerful testament to the human body's ability to bounce back. There are countless stories of breast cancer survivors who've successfully rebuilt their immunity and regained their health. These stories often share common themes: a commitment to healthy living, a strong support system, and a positive mindset. Hearing about these journeys can inspire and motivate others to take control of their health. To summarize, rebuilding immunity after breast cancer involves a combination of healthy nutrition, regular exercise, stress management, and a positive mindset. These strategies not only enhance immune function but also contribute to overall well-being. Taking proactive steps towards self-care and making informed lifestyle choices can significantly impact one's health post-cancer. If you're a breast cancer survivor or know someone who is, share your experiences and insights in the comments below. Your story could offer hope and guidance to others on a similar journey. Don't forget to check out my other videos on health and wellness for more tips and information on maintaining a healthy lifestyle.